This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's Wine Rack cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. Begin with the face frame front down on your workstation. Drill the screws into the pre-drilled holes, then set aside. Next, take both sets of internal interlocking shelves and fit together perpendicularly to create two separate complete shelves, then set aside. Now take one of the short top or bottom panels and, with the pre-drilled holes face up, attach a cabinet side using the pre-placed wooden pegs. Next, place the backing, with the unfinished side facing you, onto the short panel using the pre-placed wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Secure the side and backing together with a nail gun. Place the other side panel onto the short panel in the same fashion and ensure the slotted edge fits flush with the backing. Secure this side to the backing as previously done. Fit the alternate short panel, pre-drilled holes side down, on top of the existing cabinet structure. Then tap into place with a rubber mallet. Secure this panel to the others with a nail gun, then turn the cabinet structure over and secure the original short panel to the cabinet structure in the same way. Lay the cabinet structure on its backing and insert each set of internal interlocking shelves. As these shelves fit snugly in the cabinet, you may have to disassemble the second set of shelves and insert these pieces one at a time. Retrieve the face frame. Align it on the front of the cabinet structure so the fixing screws fit securely into the pre-drilled holes on the outer cabinet panels, then tap flush with the rest of the cabinet structure. Finally, place the locking cam bolt nuts into their designated holes on the cabinet sides and lock onto the fixing screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. Congratulations! Your Innovation Cabinetry Wine Rack cabinet is ready to install.